Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we are aboard the Disney Wish to take a room tour of our inside stateroom, room 6531. It's a very unique room as it only allow 3 people in this room. There's only one bed and the couch. There's no drop-down bunk. There's only one bathroom, and the rooms here. There's the hallway. There's the port side rooms and the closet space. So let's go inside and check it out. This is a Cinderella themed room. So we open the door, you put your card key there, turn your lights on and off. Come inside. Behind the door, this will be evacuation zone A, which is going to be inside the Walt Theater. As you can see, Cinderella. We'll get to that in just a second. We'll move through the room. As we see, we have some art, more again, Cinderella theming. This couch is pretty much rock hard. It's pretty solid. Very little foam, and it is a pull-out bed. And then right above it, there is no bunk. From the couch, we're going to move to the right to the closet. You'll notice that there is 1, 2, and 3 life jackets. It is a 3-person room. It does come provided with 2 robes that you complimentary get to use, your laundry bag, and a safe. And lots of space for your luggage. To the left of the closet, one of my favorite things is the pull-out fridge. It's a drawer. The fridge is very nice. Hair dryers in here with some information. Above that, we have the glasses for water, drinks, tissue paper, your service phone, some shelving, and then in here is going to be your plug-ins. So you have your 2 outlets. You have 2 USBs, 1 USB-C, 2 more USBs, and 1 Euro charging point here. Below it is a nice pull-out chair. It's actually got some good padding on it. Your wastebasket, another drawer with more information, a big mirror to the TV. As you can see, it's a fairly large TV. It does not move. It's not adjustable, so you can't swivel it or anything like that. It's fixed mount there. To the left of that, it's going to be another outlet, 2 USBs, and again another Euro. It's got a reading lamp, and it's got this bigger lamp up above it. You can see there's Mickey right there. Below it, we have the remote, which controls everything on the TV. More storage. Now we'll talk about the bed. We're going to do a softness check, which is about medium. So between soft and hard, a good medium. 4 pillows, which have different fluffiness levels, and then the beautiful art for Cinderella on the wall. Below the bed, you can see I have a full-size suitcase down there. Plenty of room to put at least 4 or 5 of them down there, no problem. There is this little end table, which can slide out. You can move around the room wherever you need it. And then to the left of the bed, you're going to have more outlets. This is going to have 2 plug outlets, 2 USB, 1 USB-C. Again, these control the overhead lighting right there. And of course, you have your privacy curtain, which is really nice if you do have that 3rd additional person in here. As we are moving to the bathroom now, we can see AC and heat controls. Another giant mirror available. And then this is the only bathroom in the room. So your toilet, your sink, where's the hand soap? Hand soap up there, lotion, your towel. Everything in here is pretty tight. Additional towels. That's how you flush it. Toilet paper. Currently at the time, we still do have H2O products available. So it is a tub. It's a tight tub, but the door does swing both ways, so if you need to climb in or out. Shower head doesn't adjust. It's like locked in there right now. We tried to move it, does not move up and down. And then of course your clothing line up there for like your swimsuits and you want to dry them out or anything like that. That's pretty much the whole bathroom. It's pretty tight in there. The bathroom is pretty small. It's definitely hard to close the door and get yourself in initially, like for the shower, but otherwise than that, the bathroom works just fine. The room is very nice. So this is the after the ship. So if you see the painting, that's the back of the boat or ship. Sorry, and then that is the forward end of the ship. And of course, it's a quiet room. There's nobody to that side of us. There's nobody on that side, and this is the hallway, which we haven't heard anything. We did hear housekeeping the other day in the closet out here. Otherwise than that, it's been a very nice, quiet, and peaceful trip inside this room. It's a unique room, but we would stay in it again because it is actually pretty nice in here. I do like the Cinderella theming. That looks really nice, especially that back there. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. Lets us know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them the best I can. Otherwise than that, everybody, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.